Ladies and gentlemen, and my dear students, today is 7 July, which means it's day 7. And today I will be training you how to draw lines within the practice sheet like I did yesterday. Three lines similar to practice sheet. This is called as upper zone. This is called as middle zone. And this one is called as lower zone. All right, so what I told you in the last class is I want you to draw a slant line, exactly slant, just like this. So it goes here, slant, this is center, and then left, and then right. So center, left, and right. Because this is a marker, it's not that easy to draw, but I'll manage. See, center, center, center with a slant, and center, center, center. So center, left, and right. So center, left, and right. It will happen. So such things will happen. These are not proper lines, okay? But while you're practicing, it will go like this. But don't worry about it, okay? As you continue to practice, you will start drawing a straight line like this, a slant straight line. This is what I want you to practice for today. You're a great bunch of kids and you're doing really well with the handwriting. So make sure you draw lines in the upper zone and the middle zone. Don't take it to the lower zone. It's just center, left, and right. So this is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. So again, so this is center, left, and then right. Just fill up the sheet as much as you can. So maybe 2 or 3 pages, and with this you will have a very good handwriting, beautiful handwriting. So if you practice thoroughly, your handwriting will not change. It will actually be perfect, okay? And if you have any doubts, like I said, please contact me. My WhatsApp number is 7090660666. I'll show you closely, okay? So you can see this very closely.